Hello everyone. In this session, we are going to discuss about image and how clustering can be associated with image segmentation. Image is not just a random collection of pixels. I hope up to now you are already aware with what is pixel. Pixel, that is picture element, that is the values which describe the image. Now, I have said that image is not just a random collection of pixels. In fact, it is a meaningful arrangement of regions and objects. Extracting information from an image is referred to as image analysis, which is one of the preliminary steps in pattern recognition system. So, we have just say got that image consisting of some objects and regions, and if we try to extract information from an image, we have to have a better study of those objects and region, and that is the preliminary stage of any pattern recognition step. Okay, this is the preliminary step of any pattern recognition system. Now, each region of the image is made up of a set of pixels. Like if you look at this image, there are four images I have included in this slide. So you can see the back image, and this is the aeroplane image. This is the means hills and one river, and this is the brain image. Now these are images which consisting of some objects like this image. Here you can consider this snake as an object. Similarly, this image from the sky, apart from the sky, you can consider this particular flight as an object. Similarly, in this image, this particular river can be considered one object. Similarly, in this image, this particular portion is considered as an object. Well, you got it. So we can have a better study of this object if we can isolate them from that image. Now, that's why we need image segmentation. So image segmentation can be defined as the partitioning of all the pixel elements or pixels in an image into different clusters that exhibit similar features. Remember, in my clustering class of machine learning, I told you that clusters are formed on the basis of some homogeneity criteria, some features, right? Those features should be similar. So here also, we can divide the image into different cluster, and those clusters should exhibit similar features. And this is a process of subdividing an image into its constituent parts or objects in the image. That is, set of pixels such that pixels in a region are similar, considering homogeneity criteria like color, intensity, or texture, so as to locate and identify boundaries in an image. So, as per the homogeneity criteria is concerned, we may have many of them. Like if we are considering color, suppose in this case, if we consider color, then clearly this particular object, this particular river is possessing a different color, right? Similarly, in this image, the snake is showing, means from the snake, we can have a different identification of color. So color can be one such features. Similarly, we can say textures, or similarly some instant intensity values. So these are some homogeneity criteria based on which we can go for image segmentation. Like this image, aeroplane image. I'm going to show you some results from my means work, research works, where I have proposed some segmentation technique. I will cite those research works in this description box below. You can go and have a look at them. I'll show you my Google Scholars and those Scopus link also you can find from my by name by my name. But I'll give these links of those research works in the description box. Please go through them, then you will have an idea about how we have developed the segmentation technique. So let's come back to the class. You can see here, this is an airplane image. Now, after the segmentation, you can clearly find this particular airplane being isolated from the other parts of the image. Similarly, segmentation of this river image, you can see that clearly this segmentation putting a different color for this river. After applying for our approach, segmentation approach, we have gone this one. Okay. Then these things we have done is color image segmentation. So color image segmentation means color is associated, right? These results are color. So color means where we can have better identification of the object because we can identify thousands of colors at one time, right? So segmentation can be done on the gray version of the color image or the color image itself. And based on that, maybe either gray or color means segmentation can be called as gray segmentation or color segmentation. We choose color image segmentation. In this results you have seen color image segmentation because it can bring more information than gray image segmentation. And what is the reason? I told you that our human eyes are more adjustable to the brightness, so can identify thousands of color at any point of a complex image, while only a dozens of grayscale are possible to be identified at the same time. So if somebody asks you as a research question that why you have chosen color image segmentation, answer will be simple, because through color image segmentation, we can have more information to get extracted from an image. Reason being, our eyes are adjustable to the brightness, so we can identify thousands of color at any point of time. But at that point, we can identify only dozens of grayscale only, right? So that's why we should go for color image segmentation. Now, for this color image segmentation, how we go for this, I will teach you in the coming session. This class are means design for research purpose only. So if you have means research interest on this particular area, you can go for these classes where I'll show you the problems as well as the solutions for our proposed process. So with this, I'm ending this session. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Take care.